In this ECG, the P waves are very large and rapid, and the rate is about 300 per minute. This condition is called atrial flutter. Here, the impulses travel in a circular course in the atria, giving rise to rapid, regular and undulating flutter waves. These are not P waves but flutter waves or F waves. Capital F stands for flutter waves. Each flutter wave occupies one large square. So these are much wider and taller than the P waves, and there is no isoelectric baseline between them. Looking from a distance, it gives a classical sawtooth appearance. This is best seen in leads 2, 3, AVF, V1 and V2. Since AV node is not tuned to conduct impulses so fast, atrial flutter is always accompanied by AV block, and the ventricular rate is much slower. Here the flutter rate is 300 per minute, and this ECG shows 2 to 1 block, so the ventricular rate is 150 per minute. Note that each F wave occupies one large square. This is again a 2 to 1 block. This ECG shows 3 to 1 block with ventricular rate of 100 per minute. And this ECG shows 4 to 1 block with ventricular rate of just 75 per minute. Note that the ventricular rate and the pulse is regular, but sometimes the flutter may show a varying block and irregular pulse. Atrial fibrillation. In this ECG, the QRS complexes are seen at irregular intervals. There are no P waves preceding the QRS complexes, and the baseline is finely irregular as if vibrating. This is atrial fibrillation. Note the finely irregular baseline and irregularly occurring QRS complexes. This ECG shows irregular rhythm. Fibrillation waves are not seen, but very notable feature is the absence of P waves. This is atrial fibrillation. In atrial fibrillation, the impulses follow chaotic random pathways in the atria. So there are no P waves, but the baseline shows irregular fine waves termed as fibrillation waves or F waves. Small f stands for fibrillation waves. We have already learnt how to calculate the rate in atrial fibrillation. Measure the number of R waves in 15 large squares and multiply the number by 20. Here the rate is 5 into 20, that is approximately 100 per minute. In this ECG, the rate of QRS complexes is reduced after treatment with digitalis, but they occur at irregular intervals and fine fibrillation waves are seen. This is termed as slow atrial fibrillation, an effect of digitalis treatment. The fibrillation waves are described as fine, medium or coarse. These are fine fibrillation waves. These are medium fibrillation waves. And these are coarse fibrillation waves. Coarse fibrillation waves at times resemble atrial flutter, and a mixed pattern with characteristics of both is seen as in this strip. This is termed as flutter fibrillation. It has no clinical significance, just an ECG manifestation of atrial fibrillation. Note that each F wave occupies less than 4 small squares. So the rate is around 400 per minute, which is beyond the range of atrial flutter. So this is not flutter but flutter fibrillation.